Hello everyone and welcome to Fifth North. I'm Demir and today I'll be taking a closer look at the Micah riding jeans from REV'IT. Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we are taking a closer look at the Micah riding jeans from REV'IT. These are new for spring 2024 and they do feature a tapered fit. Now to me these jeans are quite remarkable, and the reason that I say that is if you take a look at them, they look like regular casual jeans. In fact, unless you're familiar with the REV'IT brand or unless you're a motorcycle enthusiast, there is no reason why you would suspect that they're not just regular jeans. And that's what makes them remarkable. The Micah jeans actually have a AAA CE abrasion resistance rating, which is kind of mind-blowing because a few years ago, the AAA rating was pretty much reserved or exclusive to racing suits. So, you know, to have a pair of jeans look this casual and this normal and receive that level of protection rating really is remarkable. It really goes to show how far the safety technology has been pushed in the last couple of years. So again, really cool to see a AAA rating with a jean that looks that normal. Let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at some of the details. From a look and design standpoint, the Micah jeans come in a dark blue used color with some light fading and stylistic marks, but again, overall look like a standard pair of jeans when you are off the bike. These jeans do only come in one colorway though, something that I hope REV'IT changes in the future, as I do know that many riders do like black jeans, so it would be nice to see some multiple color options. Outside of the color and the overall looks, you do have again a standard jean design. In the front you do have two regular pockets with the usual third coin pocket on one side, and then on the back you do have two pockets as well. And I do like that the design is nice but simple and not too over the top with the pocket stitching here. My only real gripe with the design of these jeans, and it could just be me, other people might not care, is the fact that the Micah jeans feature a button fly rather than a zipper. I personally prefer a zipper, but this button fly still obviously works well, so could just be me, as I said earlier. I did mention earlier that these jeans have a AAA abrasion rating. This is achieved by the pants being made out of a 16-ounce Cordura denim, and by having this extra layer on the seat here. This is a PWR shield material, which has unsurpassed cut, tear, and abrasion resistance. And then obviously by ensuring that everything stays together if you do go down, so the pants do feature triple needle stitching as well as safety seams. Quick little tidbit here, if you didn't know, REV'IT does color code their jeans with these little tabs right here. In the case that you see red as we have here, it does mean that the jeans are AAA rated. If you see blue, they are AA rated, and then black is a single A rating. So nice little Easter egg for you in case you didn't know. Alright, let's move forward. Outside of abrasion resistance, you do also get impact resistance in these jeans. This is achieved by the included C-Smart C Level 1 armor in the hips. As you can see, it's super thin and bendable. And then you do get CE level armor in the knees as well. The knees are adjustable to make sure they fit you properly. And then personally, I do love the fact that they are removable, as I do like to upgrade my knee armor to REV'IT's level 2 armor whenever possible. Now, not all riding jeans do come with hip and knee armor. A lot of times companies will just give you the pockets where the armor goes, and then you're kind of stuck finding your own armor and making sure that it works. So definitely hats off to REV'IT for including both the knee and hip armor with these jeans. So another safety touch is ensuring that you have some nighttime visibility. If you look at the pant leg here, you can roll it up, and that will expose a bit of reflective material on each pant leg. All right, so now that we've covered safety and materials, let's talk about fit. The Micah jeans, or the Micah TF jeans, are exactly that. They are a tapered fit, hence the TF. So what is a tapered fit? Well, a tapered fit is going to be kind of a combination of two different fits. If you look at a tapered fit on the top half, it's going to be kind of a regular fit. It's going to have a little bit more room in the seat area, a little bit more room in the upper thighs, and then as you go from the thighs down to the calves, towards the ankles, it's going to turn into more of a skinny jean type of fit. So it kind of tapers down or gets narrower as you go from the top of the jean to the bottom. And this is great for a person like me. On a bike, I don't like to have too loose of jeans because they do kind of flap around in the wind. A lot of extra fabric, obviously, to get caught by the wind. Now, skinny jeans, they work well on the bike, but one, if I can't get my leg over the bike, that doesn't do me any good. And then two, I'm built more like a soccer player. What I mean by that is I have calves, I have thighs, therefore skinny jeans just don't quite work for me. If I can't get them over my calves, that obviously doesn't work either, right? So with the Micah jeans and that tapered fit, having that that balance of a little bit more room up top, skinnier below, gives me kind of that best of both worlds. So definitely a nice fit option if you're in that same camp as me. All right, so let's move on from fit and talk about comfort. These jeans, like all REV'IT jeans, are compatible with REV'IT's line of Safeway belts. These are an accessory that you can purchase separately, but it does allow you to zip these jeans to your favorite REV'IT jacket and to keep everything in place when riding. Overall, the Micah jeans from REV'IT are a great value. You guys, I gotta tell you, I'm trying to power through this video, but I am as sick as a dog right now. So hopefully you guys haven't noticed too much. But anyway, back to the gear, right? So these jeans are, in my opinion, really good. Great even. If you look at them, again, they look casual, they look normal. And to get that AAA rating out of a jean that looks that normal, to me, again, is really impressive. And I will say this, in trying these jeans on, I did try them right after trying on a pair of AA rated jeans. And I really didn't notice too much of a difference in weight or stiffness, which again is really impressive to get that AAA rating and not have them be that bulky. So obviously they're going to be heavier and more bulky than a regular pair of jeans, but I mean, that has to be expected because you're going from regular denim to an actual protective material. But again, even in wearing them off the bike, I felt pretty normal and pretty casual. So definitely hats off to REV'IT for pulling that off. But that's it, you guys. That's it for this video. If you do like the Micah jeans from REV'IT, or if you thought this video was helpful to you, hit the like button for me. And if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button as well. It does obviously help my channel out quite a bit. And if you hit the bell, you'll know when the next videos come out, which I do have a lot of gear reviews coming up this month and next month. So definitely hit that button. That way it'll tell you when they come out. Thank you guys all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Time to go take some vitamins and medicine.